Walking. It's the exercise most doctors recommend because it's so easy to do and so low in impact. But now there's an exercise that's just as easy as walking and even lower in impact. Yet it can tone you up and slim you down much faster than walking. Introducing the Fast Track, the revolutionary new home exercise machine from Fast Track Fitness. Used and recommended by former Olympic gymnast Kathy Rigby. The Fast Track's dual reverse incline conforms to your natural motion. So there's nothing to learn and there's virtually no impact. No stress on your feet, knees, ankles, or back. The Fast Track works you out without wearing you out. It helps tone and firm your muscles, especially the hips, buttocks, and thighs. And it exercises the most important muscle in your body, your heart. The Fast Track can help you lower your blood pressure and cholesterol, up your metabolism, increase your flexibility and stamina. And it can burn up to twice as many calories as walking in the same amount of time. That's walking times 2. Why take the pounding you get from treadmills? Why buy a complicated machine that's difficult to use? With the Fast Track, you just put your feet in the pedals and glide your way to fitness. The Fast Track comes completely assembled. It's easy to move and store away. And it comes complete with an easy-to-use electronics console. A rhythmic tone or silent flashing display helps you keep the pace that you select. And even though the Fast Track doesn't give you a pounding, it sure can take a pounding. In fact, it's so durable, it comes with a lifetime warranty.
Getting in shape has never been so easy. So come on, get fit and healthy, and get on the Fast Track.
For a free informational video and brochure, call this toll-free number or write to the address shown on your screen. If you'd like to tone up, slim down, improve your cardiovascular fitness, and reshape your hips, buttocks, and thighs the fast and easy way, find out more about the Fast Track, the revolutionary new home exercise machine that works you out without wearing you out.
Hi, I'm Alan Noddle, president of Giant Foods, and I want to be honest with you. Nobody stocks more fresh produce than Giant. In season, we've got 15 kinds of apples, 40 to 50 kinds of greens, red peppers, frying peppers, yellow peppers, 13 kinds of mushrooms, green peppers, sweet peppers, 8 kinds of tomatoes, Anaheim peppers, purple peppers, jalapeno peppers, and all the Kiwano horn melons you can eat. Giant. More low prices and better produce. Honest. Long green chili peppers.
Life and how to enjoy the trip. A warm thought from New Jersey Transit. It's what they call quality time, Mom and Dad. Time to see. Time to laugh. Time to learn. Time to explore. But mostly, time together. Is it time to go home yet? And won't the view from a seat be terrific?